Here, derivation of kinetic energy. See, we know what is meant by kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy which possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. See, any moving body have this kinetic energy, like a moving bus, a running horse, a running athlete, or a moving train, a moving car. All of these possess kinetic energy, and a bullet which is fired from a gun will have this kinetic energy. So, virtue of motion gives the kinetic energy for the particular body. So now let us have the derivation for this kinetic energy. For that, consider a mass m which is placed on a floor, and on that mass m a force F is acting on the mass. So due to the application of force, the mass have been displaced. The displacement is S, and as the force applied on a body, there will be an acceleration also. If there is force, there will be acceleration also, and the acceleration will be in the direction of force. Whatever the direction of force is, that is the direction of acceleration also. And the work done by the body, that means mass m, work done is given as force into displacement, the force applied on the body and the displacement made by the body. So W equal to Fs, and we know that F equal to ma. So work done can be written as mas. So you consider this as equation 1, and from the equations of motion we know the 3 equations are there. In that the third equation, 4 equations are there. In that the third equation, let us consider the third equation from equations of motion. From equations of motion, third equation is v square minus u square equal to 2as. And if you consider the equation for this situation here, see here, initially the body is at rest, that is u, initial velocity is u, and by the application of force the body is acquiring some velocity, that velocity is v. So there is change in velocity, and here final velocity is v square, and initial velocity, as initially the body is at rest, so that will be 0. So v square minus 0 equal to 2as, and from this the displacement is s equal to v square upon 2a. This is the displacement. So let us consider this as equation 2. Now put this equation 2 in equation 1. That means s value, displacement value, you place that in equation 1. So by that we will have work done W equal to ma. Instead of s, we can write as v square upon 2a. So here we can see that a will get cancelled. So work done W equal to, here it will be mv square upon 2, or this can be written as half mv square, and the work done by the body is equal to, as the body is in motion here, as it is displaced from one place to another place, the work done will be equal to the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is half mv square. So kinetic energy made by a body, or kinetic energy acquired by a body, Ke equal to half mv square. See here in this situation, the mass is initially at rest. Due to the application of force, it is having some velocity. Initially it is at rest, that is u, and finally it is having some velocity, that is v. So kinetic energy acquired by a body Ke equal to half mv square.